Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog after so much time. I think it's overdue that we bring the vlogs back. I know that I haven't showed much when it came to the BMW. We're driving it on track, though we did many times, change the wheels and everything. But coming close to show season, I thought that it would be cool to get something new and bring some new flavor to the channel. And let's check out what we got. There we go. So here we have a Porsche Cayman base model. So it's the PDK model. There's the 18-inch wheels on there. There's the active wing. And this is the 2.7 normally aspirated or naturally aspirated. Get a view of the inside there. We've got leather and Alcantara seats. It's quite cool. It's quite comfy compared to the bride seats that's in the BMW that we have now. Let's grab a look from the front there. She's a beauty, eh? So cool thing about this is that it has two trunks or two boots. So there, we got the front and we got the rear. Let's check the front out. Got some water in there, so it's quite deep. I thought it was going to be tiny, to be honest, but it can fit quite a bit. Obviously, I got my wheel spaces that's going to go in the car pretty soon. Obviously, we've got Porsche over there, and on the rear so it's tiny, it's not big, but it's decent, you know, throw your laptop in there and all of that. Under this panel here is actually the engine. This is your oil, and your water is on the other side. That's under here. So this is not where the Stratower sits. I think it's a bit further in. Obviously I have the Cayman logo there. Pretty neat. Bit of the inside. Got your screen there, all your buttons. This is quite the poverty spec. Well, actually is. But I didn't need anything else because we're changing the suspension, we're changing everything of the car. PDK, everyone says this transmission's amazing. Coming from manual, I don't know any different. But I have been enjoying it. Let's turn this on here. So this is the wing when it's down. And in sport mode, over about 140 kilometers is when it will come out. So basically come out like that. That's so cool. We've got some cool lights here. I'm not sure if I'm going to upgrade, but probably in the future eventually. I do want to change the tailpiece. I'm not enjoying the single one. Not really a vibe. Currently on the car, we got 18-inch wheels, and I think they're 265 by 40 on the rear. And I think it's a 245 on the front, the 40 profile. So I'm definitely going to change this. The plans for the car is obviously at least lowering and maybe a wheel change for now. But the goal is to keep it pretty like a get in and go car, and not slam the hell out of it so that I have to think where I'm driving all the time with the car, you know. So many people have been asking me why this car, why that. The BM is meant for what it is meant to be. It's a track tool, it's enjoyment. Yes, we entered it into OTF last year as a show car. And it can still do that. It has the RPF ones now. I'll pop a photo up on it now. We'll see the video on it. But I think it's such a an effort to drive that car, to be honest. With a lock diff, because it's meant to do something, I can drive it to work. I do drive it to work sometimes, but where people or cops know that that's not meant to be done to that car, or for it to be that low, especially with the branded seats and the harnesses, it's quite the attraction, if I can say that myself. But with this car, it's a sports car and it is low. So by lowering it a touch, spacing the wheels, maybe put on bigger wheels so I don't have to lower it that much, it's okay, you know. The car is meant to be that way, so I don't think it's that much of a attraction to the law. But to cut things simple and short, this is my OTF'25 entry. The BM will be there, but I think we're going to bring a new flame. We love Sanjay's one that was there last year, the white one, the Cayman S. And I think we will do some damage this year with this car, as the BM did last year with Gang Viral. I won't be doing a color change, but it will be silver and we'll see how we can spice it up. But I just want to leave you guys with a quick message with the direction Rollers Only is going. We are not going to be just like a car brand or a car this that does this and that. I think there's been a calling for me that's to help people. I've been helping everyone throughout this year with doing this or doing that, helping with their brand, besides helping myself with my brand. And I think this is where it's come to now. My birthday is this Friday, turning 29 years old. I got a Porsche now, and I think the goal is just to do good with it, to bring back community in the automotive industry. Also with the sneaker culture that I work in every day. So yeah, all I want is just everyone to be homies again, bring the love all together, bring the spinning, the drifting, the stance community all into one, and just grow this thing together. Because what's the point of actually like bashing each other, saying you have this wheels or that, or this suspension, or I don't like Hondas, I like Polos, and it doesn't really matter. Like, we all like automotive culture together as one, and this is, I think, my calling and my driving force, to bring it all together, to bring the love together and just create cool shit. That's the honest truth. It's to love it, enjoy it. I mean, we're not promised another day ever. We are lucky, and we are, if we granted that by the higher power, but let's just enjoy it while we're here. Enjoy our cars, not to do the takeovers and do the crazy stuff, but just to be respectful. One, respect the grounds of where we're taking our cars to, respect the event organizers, and 4, just love another person's work, another person's craft. We might not do things that the other person likes to our car or to their car, or vice versa, but I mean, let's just be one. So I think that's the driving force going forward with Rollers Only. As you can see, I changed Instagram to Shop Rollers Only. Merch will be coming. I will be bringing in some cool cleaning products, automotive merch, as well as Rollers Only merch, and let's just grow the space. See you guys on the next one. Peace.